Hi everyone, welcome to iLanguage Training Center, New Concept English Video Classroom. And I'm Ablajan. And today we will learn New Concept English Book 1, Lesson 11. Okay, open on page 22. Sağlar yaxshimizlar. Hamda bugun o'sha 11-dars o'qinimiz. Endi sizlar kitobinglarniki 22-bidan ochsanglar. Okay. Avvaldan shu darsimizdagi bir necha yangi so'zlarni bir o'rganib o'taylik. Okay. Birinchi yangi so'z nima desanglar? Whose. Okay, whose. Endi qaranglar bolalar. Ana bu yerga whose deganimiz nima desanglar? Whose. Kimning? Kimning? Endi bu yerga who, endi bu yerga s e bo'lmay h W H O. Ama bo'lsin bo'ldi desanglar who. Who deganimiz nima? Kim. Ana whose deganimiz nima? Kimning. Okay, whose degan kimning. Masalan, whose is this umbrella? Demak, endi bu kunlik kimning? Whose is this umbrella? Tushunarmi? Aniqda bu qalam kimning deganda deymiz? Whose is this pen? Okay, whose is this pen? Okay, and this is kim deganingda aytib bo'lar. Who are you? Okay, who are you? Good. Who are you? Okay, the next one is blue. Okay, blue. Okay, and bu yerga blue deganimiz nima edi? Sanlar ko'k degan gap, ha? Ko'k. Blue. Okay, and mana u asal so'zlaproq o'qiymiz, ha? U blue. All right, blue. Okay, blue deganimiz ko'k bo'ldi, and the blue shirt deganimiz-chi? Blue shirt. Okay, blue shirt deganimiz hamda ko'k rangli ko'ylak. Masalan, aytishim kerak, ma'nosini deymiz. Sanlar ko'ylak deymiz, ha? Odatda kostyumda qo'llanishga kelgan shu shirt, nima? Blue shirt. Endi ko'k rangli qalam degani-chi? Blue pen. Yaxshi. Hamsa ko'k osmon, bo'lsa blue sky. Okay, blue sky. Good. Degani bo'ldi blue. All right. Next one is perhaps. Okay, perhaps. And perhaps deganimiz nima? Masalan, balkim. Perhaps. Demak, ma'lum rahbolga nisbatan siz shunga aniq jazm qilamisiz? Shu balkim deshil. Perhaps. Masalan, whose book is this? Bu kimning qalami desa? Oh, no, sorry. Kimning kitobi desa? Perhaps this is his book. Balkim bu uning kitobi. Yoki perhaps this is her book. Balkim bu uning kitobi. Uning kitobi. Demak, kitob deganda deymiz book, uning kitobi deganicha his book, her book. His o'g'illar uning, her qizlar uning. Evet, perhaps deganim bo'ldi bolalar. Perhaps. Perhaps. Good. Mana bu yerda blue. Good. Mana whose. Okay. Whose deganimiz kimning? Kimning u? Okay, next one is white. All right. White. You know, white is really beautiful color. Okay, and the white deganimiz nima? Masalan, oq rang. And the mana o'qiganda ma W H W arabcha I oxir i qanday qilmaydi desanglar talaffuz qilinmaydi. Okay, what is this? This is white. Okay, white. White deganimiz nima? Oq ranglik. Masalan, ma ayol kiyib olgan, nima desanglar? Ko'ylak. A white dress. Okay, a white dress. What about next one is white shirt. Okay, white shirt. Ustiga nima kiyibdi? Oq ranglik. Nima desanglar? Ko'ylak. All right. Next one is catch. Okay, catch. And the one, okay, catch. Okay, please catch the football. Okay, please. Shu o'tinish so'zi yoki shu ana aytishlar spayish nima? Catch tutolmoq the football. Futbolni tutib olam. Okay, va kishi o'xshatdimi ma'no ism nima? Shu catch bo'ladi. Masalan, men sizga cho'raya catch. Okay. Odatda yana nima bir narsani cho'rganda, voy tutar aytamiz-ku, hey catch. Catch. Nahmu shu catch. Catch. All right. Catch. Xo'sh, hamsa bu so'zliklarni jiq emaskan, shu tekst kelayli. Is this your shirt? Okay, is this your shirt? Hamsa buningki qisqagina bir karton filmni ko'rayotgan ekan. Hamsa tekstimiz boshlandik. Hamsa diqqat qilinglar.
Whose shirt is that? Is this your shirt, Dave?
No, sir. It's not my shirt. This is my shirt. My shirt's blue.
Is this shirt Tim's?
Perhaps it is, sir. Tim's shirt's white.
Tim,
Yes, sir?
is this your shirt?
Yes, sir.
Here you are. Catch.
Thank you, sir.
All right, finished. Is this your shirt? Okay, I'm the teacher named Torisala. Whose shirt is that? Okay, whose shirt is that? Okay, bu kimning nimasi? Ko'yniki. Hamda bu qanday kelgan desangiz, bolalar. Masalan, this is my shirt. Nima? This is my shirt. Okay, bu bo'lsa nima? Meningki ko'ynikim. And solga aylantirsak-chi, is this my shirt? Okay, nima? U bo'lsa mening ko'ynikimmi? Okay. Andaqda Ama yargı may degan ena qo'ymasa, bari sanglim mayning o'rniga nima almashtirib o'tamiz. Demakchi, bu shu whose degan almashtirib aralashtirsak nima desanglar? Is this whose shirt? Adada W yoki H bilan boshlangan savol almashtirib, adada jumlaning beshiga o'tkazilib tushunami? Shunga whose shirt is that? Yoki whose is this shirt? Mush ikki o'xshar ekan. Demakchi, bu kimning ko'yniki? Whose shirt is that? Yoki whose is this shirt? Yoki that shirt degan gap. Endi men yerga that, okay, that deganimiz sağlaşlar, nima avu. Oldinlariki bo'lsa this, ajroqlik bo'lsa that. Is this your shirt, Dave? Bu sizning ko'ynikingizmi, Dave debdi ma'lum. Shunami? Bu sening ko'ynikingmi? Shunami? Desa, no, sir, it is not my shirt. Oh, yo'q efendim, u mening nimam emas, ko'ynikim emas. No, sir, it is not my shirt. U nima emas, mening ko'ynikim emas. It is not my shirt. Okay? This is my shirt. My shirt's blue. Okay? Nima bu mening ko'ynikim. Okay? This is my shirt. Okay? And this is bu bo'lsa shunami my shirt. My shirt's blue. And my shirt's deganimiz my shirt is deganning qisqartirilmasi. My shirt is deganning qisqartirilmasi. Shunga my shirt's blue. Meningki ko'ynikim ko'k rangda. Okay, and ma ko'ynak demasanglar, oq rangli ko'ynak shunami? Is this shirt Tim's? Okay. Tim's deganimiz nima? Timning. Arada hamda shu mobilakdan birdan degan language focusini bir tushuntirib qo'yay. Ma Tim's degan Timning degan gap. Masalan, Ablajonning shunami? Demak, is this shirt Tim's? Bu Timning nimasimi? Ko'ynakimi? Tushunamiz? Perhaps it's sir. Okay, and o timninki mo yoki emasligini jazm qilinmadi, shunami? Shuni o'ylanimda. Perhaps it's sir. Perhaps it's sir. Balkim shu timningniki, shunami? Tim's shirt's white. Tim's shirt's white dedi, shunami? Timning ko'ynagi bo'lsa oq rangli. Endi men Tim's shirts shikili cho'q peshtamizga qo'yib asqatliq ahvol bor. Shikili asli bu qaysi BP'da, qaysi egilik kelishning nimasi? Demakchi ning demakchi. Hanzuchada 5 odamga bor. Ning, nima? Tim's shirts white. Tim's degan nima birinchi asli nima desanglar, shu ning degan gap. Timning nimasi? Ko'ynagi, shirt. Is white bo'lsa oq rangli. Demak, endi men yerga Tim's shirts white. Demak, shu Timning ko'ynagi oq rangli. Tim deb chaqirdi. Yes sir. Muallim nima deysiz? Nima gapingiz bor de? Dedi shunami? Yes degandan shu nima gapingiz bor de. Birisi excuse me deb so'rasam, yes, nima deytingiz? Nima gapingiz bor de degan gap shunaqo. Is this your shirt? Bu sizning ko'ylagingizmi yoki bu sening ko'ylagingmi? Is this your shirt? Yes sir. Okay, yes sir. Here you are. Okay, here you are. Endi bu yerga here you are deganimiz nima? Elanga tutunga degan gap. Okay. Endi amaliyotda buni to'liq shaklda you are here degan gap. Bu odatda ta'tu jumla bo'lib, mana here degan beshiq olmashdi. Here you are. Demakki mana siz, demakki mana elanga degan gap bo'ldi. Catch. Endi mana bir narsani chevirib catch nima? Endi catch deganimiz tutunga. Odatda birisi cho'rganda catch deb tutib ol deymiz-ku. Thank you sir. Rahmat muallim. Okay. Anaqa bu darsimizdagi language focus. Biz mushu o'rganish keraklik. Intime muhim zur bo'lgan bir necha muhim javhar nuqtalarni bir o'rganib chiqaylik. Endi birinchi mana whose shirt is this? Okay, whose shirt is this? Endi men yerga bu nima desam, bu kimning? Kimning ko'ylagi? Kimning ko'ylagi? Endi bu nima desam, alohida so'roq jumla. Endi menda alohida so'roq jumlani talaffuz qilganda, birinchi yo'lab qanday desanglar, mana bizniki talaffuzimiz qanday desanglar, bo'lgan siri oxiri qanday desanglar, sal ojizda. Masalan, whose shirt is that? Hargizim whose shirt is that demaymiz, ha? Whose shirt is that? Whose shirt is that? Demak, 5 sal egizroq boshdan oxirimda pastaydi. Whose shirt is that? Tushunami? Okay, and yes sir. Okay, yes sir. Yes sir deganimizda bo'ladi. Yoki anda musharaka ma'nosi nimaga gapingiz bo'lyapti muallim bir sizni chaqirsa yes deganimizda nimaga gapingiz bo'lyapti degan gap bo'ldi. Yes sir, nima deysiz muallim? Nima? Here you are. Okay. Here you are. Okay. And here you are asl shakli valla you are here degan gap. Siz bo'lsangiz mana. Endi men here degan bu yer mana degan gap qo'yanda. Demakki birisiga bir narsani ko'rsatmoqchi emasman, pasportinglarni mana ilanga, mana tutunga, mana da bir ko'z shuvo, here you are degan gap shu. Mening kunlikim bilan paltorim desa mana ilanga mana. Demakki birisiga tanglaganda here you are deb emasman. Yoki demak here it is. U bo'lsa mana. Endi u bo'lsa mana degan shu narsani ko'rsatmaydi. Masalan, PPT boshqaruvchi ne deysiz? Hey, here it is. Mana demakchi it is here. Mana. Demakchi here degan mana degan gap qo'yamda. It is here. Asli bu ta'til jumla here it is bo'ldi. Here it is. And that's all doshlar. Agar ko'proq jiq narsani ko'rsatmoqchi bo'lsak-chi, here they are. Okay? Here they are. Mana ular demakchi. Stakanlarni menga bersangiz, here they are. Mana ular demakchi ko'p narsani ko'rgan here they are. Shunaqa birdan emasdan here you are yoki here it is. It is. Agar masalan it is not. Endi misharik it is not ning qisqartirilmasi it isn't yoki it's not. Ama ikki xil qisqartsak bo'ldi. Birga it bilan BP ni birga qilib, masalan it isn't yoki it's not. Okay, it's not. It's not. Okay, it's not. Endi bugungi darsimizda 30 degan nima? 30. Oldingi darslarimizda masalan 10-20 sanab bo'lib qolganda 30 degan o'qiganda va tilimiz adoq ishlanma 30. Okay, 31, 32, 34, 33, 34, 35, 36 deganda ekan. Okay. Endi misha bizning darsimizniki hamda yana bir grammatika nuqtasi bor. Grammatika nuqtasi bor. Endi masalan qaranglar. This is my shirt. Okay. This is my shirt. Demakchi u mening nimam? Okay, u meningki ko'ylagim. And this shirt is mine desanglar bo'ladi. Endi bu yerga mine deganimiz nima desanglar? Mana shu orqa sifat xarakterlik nima desanglar? Olmash. Okay. Birisi sifat xarakterlik olmash deganimiz masalan my shunami? Endi demakchi shirt sifatlab qo'yildi. Endi bu yerga ism xarakterlik olmash deganimiz nima? Masalan mine, mening degan gap. Mening degan gap. Masalan this is mine. Okay, this is yours deganda ekan. Okay, and this is whose shirt? Okay, this is whose shirt? And then this is my shirt. Shunami? And mine o'rniga hamda whose ni almashtirib aytdik, shunami? Whose ni almashtirib aytsak hamda bu alohida bir savol jumla bo'ldi. Arada bu nima desa, who oldiga o'tkildi-ku. Endi bu yiban yivinjuga aylansak, oddiy savol jumlaga aylansak nima? Is this whose shirt? Bu kimninki? Nimasi? Okay, ko'yniki. Endi bu oldiga o'tkib bersak nima desanlar? Shu whose shirt is this? Okay. Yoki desanlar this shirt is whose?